What's up, everybody? It's Nightboss back. Okay, so I'm gonna be playing creative for a bit and see if I could win a couple rounds or two. Right, so let's get started. Okay, nice. Let's get the pump. Okay, so nice shockwave grenades. Oh, what? Oh, who put that? Oh, I just escaped. I just escaped. Okay, let's try to come around here. Oh, okay, let's get the AUG out. 1, 2, 3. Oh, he's white, he's white. I think I can finish him. I just want to scare him so he doesn't heal. How did that not hit him? Come on, let's go above. I need a 1 pump on him. I think another player is going to come really soon. So, that's good. Oh, yes. Okay, good. Let's see that next time. Let's see if he came yet. Yeah, I think it's just me and him still. Okay, this time I'm gonna keep a combat with me. I might be able to kill him with it. Let's take the big pot. Let's go. Why are you bouncing? Okay, I was starting to build. Actually, shit. No, let's do a challenge. Get the combat. Okay, let's go. Boo, blah, blah, blah. Build, build, build. Blah, blah, blah. Oh, he's up there. Why is he so high? Oh, I just dodged his attack. That was so good. Okay, let's build on top of me. Oh, he joined. There you go. Now I could. Come on. Yes! Oh! Oh! I was so scared. I got him. I got him headshot with the combat. Okay, let's see if... I think he's in the game now. Oh yeah, he's in the game. Okay, so now it's gonna be a 3-way battle. Let's go turbo mode. Come on. Oh, nice. Oh, I hate these launch pads when they just run on it. Like, give me some time to shoot you. I'm using the pickaxe from killing Shadow Midas. It's actually such a nice pickaxe. What? Stick bomb. Yeah, okay. Let's just stand here. Okay, that's enough. Now let's go attack them. Let me just interrupt their fight. Oh, let's see if I can get them. No! Why do they... Oh, it's... okay, let's try to get around. Up. Let's build the thing so he doesn't break me down. Come on, get inside. No. Ah, what? Why? Oh, don't leave me. Oh, I got him, nice. I didn't want him to land on me. Okay, let's go. Where'd he go? Oh, is there someone in here? What's up, bro? Die. Okay, yeah, okay, now let's go kill the other guy. No! I hit him. Okay, come on. No, how'd that miss? I hate it when he builds. Just let me kill you. What? Oh. Where is he? What? No, how are these missing? Oh, I need 1 health. Nice. Oh, I love that emote. It's so good. Okay, next. Oh, look at the pickaxe. It's actually so nice. Okay, let's go. Oh, there's someone close to me, I think. Hold the pump. Let's go get him. Oh, whoa. One more. One more, come on. Oh, okay, good. Okay, let's go get the AUG. Nice. Oh, he just put the shield for me. He just gave me a free shield. Well, thank you. Oh, what's up, bro? Oh, he just did. Oh, I just got him headshot. How did I kill him? How did I just kill him? Okay. Let's see. Oh no, blue pump. I gotta quickly switch my guns. I don't want a blue pump. Okay, fine. Whatever. I guess I gotta keep it. Oh, I think that was such a bad throw. No. No, 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 no. Okay, good. Oh, that was so close. Okay, come on, let's go gold pump. Let's just keep these, actually. Gold pump. Yes, nice. Now let me just go crush these guys. Whoa. Oh no. Oh, we just killed them. Oh, they actually might be. I'm not sure. They might kill me actually. We'll see. Oh, why'd you escape? I want to land up here. Can I do it? Wait, what? No. How'd that work? Okay, let's go. One more time. Now let's go to him. Oh, I love this umbrella. It's so nice. Where do you go? Where's he going? What? How'd you get there? What's happening? He's on the run. No! What's this? It's not fair. Yes, he's in the storm. Come on, Slurpfish, quick. Oh, it's up. Pump now? No. What's with my aim? Oh, come on, ah! Oh, my aim is so off. Come on. Come on. I got him headshot. That was a close one. Okay, I won this round. Let's go to the next round. Oh, that was such a close one. Whew. My aim was so off that round. Okay, let's see if I can get anything better than a blue burst. Oh, nice. Golden Og. Oh, somebody's coming. I don't know if he'll come for. Oh, what? Oh, they're fighting. I'll just let them fight for a bit. I'm just come and see if I can fight too. They're just killing each other. Oh, my turn. Okay, now you kill him, I kill you. Yes. Let's go. I love this dance. Dun 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 dun. Okay. Next round. Okay, let's see if we can get anything better. Nice. I cannot get any golden Og. Nice. Come on. Nothing interesting. Okay, actually, I'll take that. Wait, I'll throw this and go get the hand cannon. Let's see if it reached. Finally, last time was so bad. Yo, hand cannons are just so fun to play with. Oh, let's see if I can get him. Oh, oh, Og. Oh, what? Which storm am I in? Oh, what? No, wrong storm. Okay, that storm's gone. 1 health. Okay, let's go in with the. Oh wait, are they in there? Oh, they're inside. Come on, don't move. What? How is that? Okay, go. Oh. Okay, I think that was weird. Okay. Oh no, he's probably healing right now. Die. What? Oh my. Come on. Let me just heal a bit since he's healing. Okay, now let's go. Why isn't it breaking? Oh! Whoa. That was just what just happened? I got him headshot. Oh my. Okay. Okay, let's see if there's anyone around here. Nobody. Go and see if we can snipe any of them. What? Where is everybody? Okay, let me just. Come on. Wait, where'd he go? Oh, he's on a glider. Seriously? How do you snipe some? Seriously, come on, this guy. Alright, what's happening? Okay, wait, I think I might be able to snipe him. How that? What? What? I could have got him headshot. Where'd he go? Oh. Okay, that's just annoying. I'm coming up. No, you can't just hide from me. What's up? Oh, what's with the headshots? What's with the headshots? Oh my, this is like aimbot. Okay, let's see if I can. Is there anyone here? Nobody. Okay, I think I have good loot. I don't need to look for other stuff. Okay. No. Are any of them coming to me? Oh, well, I'll throw the storm at. Wait, what? Will it hit them? No! This is not fair. Ooh, let me go inside, right? There you go. Shablamo. Oh, wait, is there another storm? How many storm things are there? Oh, whoa. Okay, good. That was a close one. Nice, I got him. Oh, what? Oh, wow, that was so perfect. Did. Oh, I think I should go now. Let's go to him. Or wait, what's happening? I know. Wait, I'll come around town. Let's go here. Nothing. Oh, I can't. There's no loot. Okay. I could take some shockwaves. Is there anyone on top of? Oh, I think there's someone on top of me. Where is he? What? What? What was that? What was that? Oh, someone just died? Okay, my turn. Oh, he's dead, right? Wait, what? He's not dead? Oh, what? No! I thought he was dead! Oh no! What am I doing? Die! I thought he was dead. No, because he ate a slurfish and then he turned blue, and then he turned, because I got him headshot, so it turned yellow. I was so confused. Whatever. I killed him at the end. Oh, what? No, run, 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 run. Okay. Now let's go. Oh, nice. Scar. Golden Scar Rifle. That's what I call it. Okay, let's go. Let's see if I can get any of them. Okay, let's see if I can get him then. Bum 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 bum. What? What? No, he's white. Come on. I gotta go kill him fast. Let me just scare him by trying to break the wall, so he doesn't heal. Okay, now let's go with the pump. What? No, come on. Yeah, okay, guys. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. He's shooting at me. Come on, faster, big pot. Why is it taking so long? Oh, no, no. Why am I dropping the pump? Okay. Oh! Okay, that was so good. Okay, no more creative battle. Okay, look at this. Oh, what? Oh. Wait, what's that? Oh. Look at this dude. This is solo. Why is he that? No, 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 no. You're not dancing here. My house. No, come here, you. No, come here. No! Yo. No, come here. Where'd you going? No! Stop it! Oh, he's locked in. What's up, bro? I opened the door for him. Okay, so like and subscribe, and I'll make another video soon.